This right here is my Dream vacuum cleaner here. It is a self-emptying vacuum cleaner with a mop that also cleans itself too as well. It does have avoidance detection built in. It also map out your floors. You can schedule it to go whenever you want to go. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside here. So right here is the water bin where you go ahead and put all the water at for your clean water. It has your cleaning solution inside of there with it too. And this here is going to go ahead and be used to go ahead and clean the mops and also put water inside of your vacuum. And whenever it comes back and it's cleaning the mop heads, it'll also dirty out the dirty water in this black bin right here that you just go ahead and empty out with it. This includes an app that you go ahead and control everything from, or you can even have it go ahead and go out on its own mission just by hitting this power button right here with it. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. And what it's going to do, it's going to go ahead and fill itself up with water, and it's also going to go ahead and make sure the mop heads and everything else get cleaned up before it goes. Now, if the mop heads do get dirty whenever you're using it, it'll go back to the cleaning station here, clean the mop heads, and then go back out and start wherever it starts. Whenever it's all done with the mission, it'll come back here and put everything and do a vacuum sound, and everything goes into this dust bag right here for it. And then it actually comes with 2 dust bags to be able to use this right here too as well. Pretty easy to go ahead and install and take out with it. But everything's kind of self-cleaning with it. The bag right there should last you at least 30 days or so if you do a daily cleaning with it, or longer if you don't. But a lot of advanced technology built into this right here. I love the fact that it can go ahead and mop my floors automatically. When it does go to carpet, because I do have carpet on this floor right here too as well, the mop heads in the back of it actually lift up off the floor, and then it just does a stronger suction on the carpet versus a hardwood floor with it. So we kind of see that right now it's kind of filling up with water and cleaning solution. And then after it's done, it's going to go ahead and start heading out on a mission here with it, as I like to call it. And here it goes. It's taking off. So that way I can kind of show you guys the mop heads in the back here. They're going to go ahead and start spinning here as soon as it gets its location. And the mop heads are going to go ahead and drop here in a second. Here it takes off here. Looks like it's going to go vacuum, I guess, first. So it's going actually out to the bedrooms to go ahead and go vacuum with it. But you can kind of see the mop heads in the back there. And those right there will go ahead and spin and actually get your hardwoods cleaned up. Now let's go back here so that way I can kind of show you guys the inside of this right here. So I've been using this for a little while. So these here are actually where the mop heads actually get cleaned themselves. You can kind of see that the water, everything else gets sucked down in there with it. And then it just gets all sucked up into the top. But this right here is the Dream vacuum cleaner right here. A self-emptying bin with it and mop built into one with it all together. I've never had any kind of problems. It does a fantastic job. It does our entire top floor for us, mops and sweeps without any kind of issue. And I hope you found this helpful.